Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn the 15th lesson number 15. Name of that lesson, noun phrases. Okay. What is meant by the noun phrases? Today we are going to discuss about the noun phrases. Okay, we know that the noun, a name of anything, place or people, we can say that noun. Okay, and these belong to noun phrases. Look here, a noun phrase is one in which the noun appears. The noun appears as the main word. Okay, the noun appears as the main word. Appears means this name. Okay, this show. Okay, as a main word, and the rest of the words, the remaining part of the words, okay, act as its modifier or determines. Means the main word or keyword is a noun, so that words or that part is called noun phrase. Okay, example, if we say cat, you will not be able to distinction which cat. Okay, however, if the word cat is modify means that gives more information. Okay, the cat that drank the milk. Okay, the cat, which cat that drank the milk. म्हणजे अशी मांजर जिने दूध पिलेलं आहे. ओके, that specific cat, and this word, that the cat, it is a noun, and we can say it is a noun phrase. Okay, my neighbor's cat. Okay, which cat? My neighbor's cat. Okay, these words give or this modifies this cat. Okay, these words modify this cat. Okay, the black cat. Which cat? Black cat. The main word is cat. Main word is a cat, and it is a noun phrase. The cat on the table. On the table. These words. The cat on the wall. Okay, the cat on the wall. Next, the cat catching the mouse. Okay, the cat. The main word is a cat, and catching the mouse, it is a modifier or determinants, which describe, which give more information about this cat. These words, okay, all these words, catching the mouse, it gives or modifies this cat. Okay, so that this is a noun clause, etc. Okay, it will be possible for you to determine which cat is being spoken about. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला कोणत्या cat विषयी बोललं जातं हे कळू शकतं. Okay, now these are some important features of noun phrases. Okay, important features of noun phrases. Features means वैशिष्ट्य. Okay, characteristics, we can also say that the characteristics or features of noun phrases. Remember this. Okay, the first one is here. Noun phrases have nouns as their head word. Okay, noun phrases have nouns as their head word. It is important point. Okay, it is first point or first feature. Nouns as their head words. Now the second word, second feature. Sometimes the noun is replaced by a pronoun. Sometimes noun replaced by a pronoun. म्हणजे नामाऐवजी pronoun सुद्धा वापरलेलं असतं. Okay, remember this. It is features of noun phrases. Okay, and first main मुख्य word कुठला असतो? Noun. Okay, now the next noun phrase is also known as nominal phrases. Remember this. Okay, noun phrases is also known, or we can also call it nominal phrase. Nominal phrase, it is another name of noun phrase. Okay, it is third feature. Okay, now the next one, noun phrase is the most commonly occurring phrase. Okay, most commonly occurring phrase in any sentence. It comes mostly, जास्त वेळा येतो, त्यामुळे हे काय commonly use केलं जातं. Okay, now it is commonly occurring phrase. Which phrase? Noun phrase. It is one feature of important feature of noun phrase. Now the next feature, noun phrase can occur as a subject, as an object or complement. It may be a subject, It may be a object, it may be a complement. Which a noun phrase. Noun phrase काय असू शकतं? एखादा कर्ता सुद्धा असू शकतं, एखादा कर्म सुद्धा असू शकतं, किंवा एखादा पूरक भाग सुद्धा असू शकतो. Complement. Remember this. Okay? It is the main features of noun phrases. Okay? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay? These are the main features or important features of noun phrases. Okay? I hope you understood. The modifiers that come before the noun phrase are, look here, articles, noun phrase, modifiers, articles, possessive pronouns, possessive nouns or possessive pronouns, possessive nouns, possessive pronouns, adjectives, and then participles. Remember this, come before. Okay, the noun phrases are articles, possessive nouns, possessive pronouns, adjective, and participles, which modifies the come before. Okay, the modifiers that come after noun. Okay, we already see the modifiers that before comes. Now we are going the modifiers that come after the nouns. नामानंतर येणारे modifiers. Okay, come after nouns. That is prepositional phrases, adjective clause, participle phrases, and infinitives. These words or these prepositional phrases which come after noun. Okay, noun phrase. Okay, in this way we can see the noun phrases related with noun phrase. Okay, in this chapter we see the important features of noun phrases, and then the modifiers that comes before the noun phrase, and then we see the modifiers that comes after the noun. Okay, in this way we can learn this lesson. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.